Microsoft Edge, Android mobile phone, and macOS. Start with Windows Setup. Show how to install Flutter SDK, set environment path, and run Flutter Doctor. Then explain how to open the project in VS Code or Android Studio and run the Flutter app using the command flutter run d Windows. Next, explain how to run the app in Chrome. Tell the viewer to enable web support and then use the command flutter run d Chrome. After that, explain how to run an Edge using flutter run d Edge. Then show Android mobile setup. Enable developer options. Allow USB debugging. Connect the phone to the PC. Install drivers if needed. Run Flutter devices. And then run the app using flutter run d Evested.